Genitive case. Кого? Чего? Of whom? Of what? The genitive case is used to show that something or somebody belongs or refers to something or somebody. So basically we use this case when it's about ownership. Я люблю его. I love him. Here, the pronoun его, him, is in genitive form. Note that this sentence includes also a pronoun in the nominative form я, which we talked about in the previous lecture. To easier understand the changes in pronouns, I made a table which will compare the pronouns in their initial form to pronouns in the case we are working with. Именительный падеж, nominative case. Кто, что, who, what. Родительный падеж, genitive case. Кого, чего, of whom, of what. Я, I. У меня, I have. Меня, me. У меня есть собака. I have a dog. Ты, you. У тебя, you have. Тебя, you. У тебя есть собака. You have a dog. Он, оно. He, it. У него, у его. He, it, has. Него, его. Him, his. У него есть собака. He has a dog. Она, she. У нее, у ее. She has. Нее, ее. Her. У нее есть собака. She has a dog. Мы, we. У нас, we have. Нас, us. У нас есть собака. We have a dog. Они, they. У них, у их. They have. Них, их. Them. У них есть собака. They have a dog.